Welcome to the difference between cumulus and altocumulus clouds by Dr. John Schrage, copyright 2005. Lots of students, even atmospheric science majors, tend to get these two types of clouds confused. I hope this little video helps sort this out. Cumulus clouds are going to have their origin as a warm air parcel near the surface of the Earth. This air parcel will rise and eventually reach its lifted condensation level, or LCL. The air parcel will have risen from the surface. That's the key to making a low-level cloud like a cumulus cloud. In contrast, altocumulus clouds, which are mid-level clouds, are going to form due to wind shear. Wind shear is when the wind speed or direction changes with respect to height. And in the layer of air between the two levels of winds with different speeds, we're going to have small rolling motions. You can demonstrate this to yourself by putting a pencil between your two hands and kind of moving the hands at different speeds. You'll see that the pencil rolls. Now, these rolling motions have a side that it has a rising and a side that has sinking. And on the side where there's rising motions, air parcels may be lifted as far as their lifted condensation level, and you'll get a cloud. On the sinking side, the cloud will dry out. Now, notice this air parcel did not start at the surface. It started in the slower layer of air and rose up towards the layer of air that's moving faster. But notice the result is a whole field of altocumulus clouds. This is why you don't generally see just one altocumulus cloud. You see a whole field of them. Now that you know how they form, let me just show you this time-lapse photography I took in my backyard of a field of altocumulus clouds near sunset. Watch each individual cloud and notice how it represents rising motion as part of the rising part of a rolling motion in the atmosphere, and then out ahead of it, it begins to dive and dry out. If you have questions about altocumulus and cumulus clouds, be sure you catch me during office hours, or send me email, or write on the Storm Cellar's blog, or whatever you need to do to get this straightened out. This has been Dr. John Schrage, copyright 2005.